everybody. Today we're making an exploding exploding lunch bag. Hope you don't have your lunch in here. That was a joke, but anyway, what I'm gonna do is, this is about 5 tablespoons. Now don't ever try 5 tablespoons. If you're gonna do it, try 1. Usually you're supposed to do 3. But do not do it. Just do 1. 5 is too many, and it's dangerous. And then here is a bag of vinegar and water. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put this in here. And so they don't like each other. And so the two mix don't like each other.
What do they do when they mix? What happens?
Well, what happens is it releases carbon dioxide, which is a gas. Yeah.
So it's a chemical change then, right?
Yes.
Good. All right, go ahead.
Now remember, never try it at home. Never, ever, ever.
Start sealing that bag. Honey. Let the thing... Okay, do we get it?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, we got it.
Now, back up. Don't try this at home. It will explode. That's why I have my safety goggles on.
Uh-oh, we think we got a leak. Darn.
It's like a big pillow.
It is like a big pillow. We had a leak. But you can see how tight the bag is. You can see that there's obviously something going on. Oops. Whoa. It's crazy nuts.
Uh-oh, it's leaking.
Uh-oh. Well, that's why it's not exploding. It's leaking. We have a leak. Oops. A leak. Our bags suck. Okay, well, thank you, Science Guy.
You're welcome, and please subscribe.